You're trying to leave home in search of greener pasture, this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and this is You Can Be Productive. Today we'll be talking about things I wish I knew before leaving home. Okay, backstory. When I was done with my NYC, I went back home. I was in Ondo State and I was at home trying to I was looking for a job. Yes, at that time. Then there was a time I had to come to Ibadan because I couldn't live in Ibadan for a job interview, and that was the beginning of me leaving home. And since then, I have been in Ibadan. So there were things that I wish I knew before leaving home, right? There were things that I wish I had thought about before leaving home, but I'm not regretting. This is not a video for regrets. I just want you to learn. Maybe it's just for fun, to make you relax, to make you know that I know it's a leap going from where you have known all your life to where you've not known is a very big leap, and you might be wondering, how do I go about it? How do I go about that? Watch this video. I want you to just think about the points I'll be raising in this video and how you can best prepare yourself and not make the mistakes that I made. I didn't make so much mistakes. I just want you to just enjoy the video and take the lessons, right? So the first you before leaving home is that knowing that things will not go as planned, right? Okay, I thought that I will get the job at the interview I came to Ibadan for, then I will work for a while, maybe like six months. Then I'll rent my own apartment, you know. But the truth is, it didn't happen like that. I stayed with my friend for more than 6 months. Yes, I stayed with her for more than 6 months before I was able to get my apartment. The interview I came to do in Ibadan, Oyo State, wasn't successful. I didn't get the job. I didn't get the job, and I had to go back home at some point. Then I came back again to Ibadan, and here I am. Yes, that's the first thing to know. Things will not go as planned, and don't beat yourself for it. Don't beat yourself up for it. It might just be one who has left the place you have known all your life, and you're here in a strange land, and you're sad, you're worried. Don't be worried. See, everything will work together for your good. That's what you should know. Everything, things that you don't even know right now that are happening to you, they will all pieces up together. It's like a piece of a puzzle. They will all piece up together to become something so big that you appreciate God for. Yes. First thing I wish I knew before leaving home is that there will be nights without food. There will be nights that you will sleep without food because right, yes, now you're out of home, you're out of your comfort zone. You're trying to make ends meet on your own. When you were at home, right? Mommy was there, daddy was there to say, "Oh, come and get your food, come and eat, take this allowance, take this pocket money." But there were nights I went to bed without food. There were nights I was sad. There were nights that I was discouraged. But I didn't regret leaving home. Yes, these were the things I wish I knew before leaving home. Okay, truth be told, I thought it was going to be like a bed of roses. One thing I wish I knew before leaving home was that it might not be comfortable at first, or it will not be comfortable at first, except if when you left home you already have you already have your own apartment. See, it happens for some people. Before they left home, somebody already gave them an apartment of their own. They already have a job of their own. They already have everything settled. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about someone who left home with the mind of supporting with somebody and with the mind of, oh, when I get a job, I will get my own apartment. I will do this for myself. I will do that for myself. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. It will not be comfortable at first. The moment you leave home, right? The moment you leave home, the moment you start fending for yourself, the moment you start going to work to earn for your living, then it will not be comfortable at first. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you're enjoying this video and it's making sense to you, or you find it relatable, kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it with your friends and family that you know who benefit from this video. Thank you in advance. Yes, the next thing I wish I knew before leaving is that I never knew I was going into the world of adulting. Like I was becoming an adult. How old am I now? Thank God. See, the moment you decide to leave home, see, just forget, no matter your age, you've become an adult, because you'll be fending for yourself, you'll be taking care of yourself, you'll be providing for yourself. I mean, of course you'll be working for your living, right? Don't forget, I got to see your provider though. Like you come to that age. Especially when you finally get to that point where you're able to get your own apartment, where you're able to see, when you are at home, your daddy will pay the bills, your mom will cook the food, your mom will make sure to stock the house with food and all. But the moment you start living on your own, the moment you rent your own apartment, everything your dad and your mom were doing, you'll be the one to start doing them. Ha! The day I realized that I'll be the one buying water that I will drink. I was sad. You know how you used to, drink water as you like at home. How you used to spend money as you like at home because you're not the one making it. See, this is when you now start appreciating your parents, what they did for you and your siblings, the sacrifices, everything. Because now you are the one doing them and you know the pain it takes for you to earn. Then you now start have to be the one to pay for NEPA bill. You buy water, buy food. When you were still at home, when there is increase in fuel price, concern you. When there is the food stuff is now expensive, concern you. Why? Because you go still shop, right? But now, whenever you say that the dollar is rising, and you know that the price of gas is rising too, you'll be shouting, like your head just like God, because you know that the money is coming out of your pocket. Hey God. But really, guys, these are the things I don't even see. I just said, let me just leave home. Nobody chased me out of my father's house, so nobody chased me out. But I just knew that I needed to leave home for greener pasture. For a graduate now, that what will I still be doing at home? Sorry, with my mom and my siblings are like, let me go out to the world, let me see greener pasture and do something that will at least to help my mom and my siblings stay in school. And they're like, But the truth is, I'm glad I took that step, because I have been out of the house for more than, I would say, 3 years, and what I've accomplished within that 3 years has been so amazing. I'm so glad right now that I took that bold step to leave home when I did, because even my mom used to say that Emily, I'm glad you left home when you left, because it's a blessing now. It's amazing, and I'm so happy. So if you are planning to leave the house, if you're planning to leave home in search of greener pasture, bless you. See, it's a good thing, but the truth is, from the point I've been talking about in this video, it will not be hard. It will not be easy at first. It will not be easy at first, but trust me, you will reap the reward um, before you even know it, before you realize it. So the next thing I wish I knew before leaving home is that even start looking up to you for help, for money, for advice, and you will receive little or no help. Little or no help, maybe financial help, except from your workplace. That's it. So, guys, that's it. 5 things I wish I knew before leaving home. See, the truth is, if you get a job in the town where your parents live, I would advise you to stay at home. But if you need to, you know that you need to move out in search of greener pasture, I encourage to take that leap. Right now, you can't see the big picture, but it is when you take a step that everything will start coming together like a puzzle. So don't be scared. Don't be scared of the unknown. If I had not left home 3 years ago, I wouldn't be where I am right now. To encourage you in this video that you can take that leap. I hope you enjoyed this video like I did. If you did, can you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to receive any video that I upload on this channel. Thank you so much, guys. And if you have anything you wish you knew before leaving home, kindly drop it in the comment section to help others that needs the encouragement and the mental strength to live. If you found this video helpful, I know you'll find this one helpful too. Yes, till I see you in the next one. Still productive. Bye, guys.